Second problem, factorize the following: 2a square plus 9a plus 10, 5x square minus 29x minus 42y square, 9 minus 18x plus 8x square. Fourth problem, 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square. Fifth problem, 12x square plus 36x square y plus 27y square x square. Sixth problem, a plus b whole square plus 9 into a plus b plus 18. The first problem and third problem in a same method, but third problem not in a standard form. We convert it as a standard form. Then second, fourth, fifth same method. For sixth one is a different method. For this one we have to a plus b assume as a some other variable. Then we have to rewrite this in the original format. Now we have to see the first problem. First problem, 2a square plus 9a plus 10. For the coefficient is 2 more than 1. So the 2 multiple with the constant term, the last term. 2 into 10, 20. So that is the product value. Then for the same way the sum value is coefficient of a. That is 9. So now the finding methods are same. That is the factors finding way is for 20 when you get 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 plus 4, 9. Then after finding the factor, for here multiple with 2, here, then after finding the factor, that divided by 2, here multiple with which number, the same number, finally you have to divide, use for division. So that is 5 by 2, 4 by 2. For here cancelling is not possible, so here cancelling is possible, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Then you have to write, for a, the variable is a plus 5 by 2 into a plus 2. So then after that this 2 multiple with a. So that is 2a plus 5 into a plus 2. So the factor is 2a square plus 9a plus 10 is equal to 2a plus 5 into a plus 2. Once again listen students. First you have to multiple these two. For the coefficient of a square multiple with the constant term. So that is 2 into 10, 20. For here it is 9. So it is a product value, it is a sum value. So 5 4s are 20, 5 plus 4, 9. First in the beginning you multiple with 2, multiple 2 with this 10. So again the finally you have to divide by 2. Here beginning you have multiple with 2. So the finally you have to divide by the same 2. So 5 by 2 into 4 by 2. Then cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel. After writing, the way of writing is same as a first method. Now here it is in a fraction, the denominator number just multiple with a. It is not considered as a LCM, just you have to multiple. It is a 2a plus 5 into a plus 2. Then you have to take and write. The same problem you have another method. Some of the problems we will use this method, some of the problem we will use this method. For it is the same problem, the product value is 20, sum value is 9. So the factor is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. It satisfies both product value and sum value. So now you have to separate this 9a as a 4a plus 5a. So using these two factors you have to separate this 9. So now you have to consider these two which is common. 2a is common. 2a is common. So that is this 4 is 2 into 2. So that is 2a take outside. So here which is remaining a. Here which is remaining 2. Plus you have to compare these two. 5 is common. So 5 you take outside. A is remaining. For this is 5 into 2. So that is 2 is remaining. So now you have to consider these two terms. A plus 2 is common. A plus 2 take outside which is remaining 2a plus 5. So the factors, now you have to check the factors are same. A plus 2, A plus 2. 2a plus 5, 2a plus 5. For any method you have to follow. For it is, for here single variable is used, you have to use this method. Suppose some of the problems have a two variables, that time we will use this method. Second problem, 5x square minus 29xy minus 42y square. Here two variables are used, one is x, another one is y. So like this problem you have to use that the second method I taught to you, for this method you have to use. So now the same way, first you have to multiple the coefficient of x square and the last term. So that is 5 into minus 42. 5 into minus 42, that is 5 into 42 is 210. So the product value is minus 210. The adding value is the second term, that is minus, with sign we have to consider, that is minus 29. So you have to find this 35 into 6. For the product, how you have to get the one shortcut to you, 210 you have to find the factorization method. So we get the factors 5 into 2 into 3 into 7. Then you have to, using these factors, you have to find this. So anyway you got 5 into 2, 10 into 21. Otherwise 6 into 35. So like this, the numbers, the factors you have to make in any order, then you easily get this product. So that is, I am considering here 35 into 6. 35 into 6 is 210. So simplify these two. Here it is a minus, so greatest number use minus. So 35 minus 6 is 29. So using these two factors, you have to separate this 29xy. So 5x square. This 29xy is rewritten as 35 using these two only. 35xy plus 6xy minus 42y square. Now for it is 5x is common. So 5x into, for here x is 2, x into x is there, 1x taken outside, remaining x. For it is 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 5 is taken outside, so which is remaining 7. For here y is there, so x minus 7y. Plus you have to compare these two. 6y taken outside, so that is which is remaining x. For it is 6 7s are 42. So 6y is taken outside, so which is remaining 7, and here y into y, one y taken outside, another one y is here. So now you have to check x minus 7y is common taken outside, which is remaining for the first term 5x. Middle what sign you have? Plus, it is 6y. So the factors x minus 7y into 5x plus 6y. Now third problem, 9 minus 18x plus 8x square. First write in a standard form, 8x square minus 18x plus 9. Then you have to multiple these two, that is 72. Then the sum value is minus 18. So 6 12s are 72. So we need minus. So minus my same sign we have to add. So both you have to use minus. So that is minus 18. So now using these two, you have to separate this minus 18x. Minus 18x is rewritten as minus 6x minus 12x. Then you have to compare these two. 2x is common. So that is, for this is 4 into 2. For here it is 4 into 2. It is 3 into 2. So now 2x is taken outside. So which is remaining 4 into x. For here 3. 2x taken outside. So minus 3. For here minus 3x take outside, minus 3x. So it is 4 into 3. It is 3 into 3. So 3 is minus 3x take outside. So which is remaining, here it is plus into minus. So minus is taken outside. So which is remaining plus. So 4x. Sorry. Oh sorry, here 3 is taken outside. Okay, not 3x. For here x is not common, you know. So minus 12x plus 9. So 3 is taken outside. So which is remaining minus 4x. So here which is remaining minus 3. Now you check. Minus 3 into 4x minus 12x minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. So now 4x minus 3 is common. 4x minus 3 taken outside, which is remaining 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. So 4x minus 3 into 2x minus 3. Fourth problem, 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square. Here also two variables. So we have to use that another method. So 6x square, 6 into 8, 48. For a sum value 16. 12 4s are 48. Sum value, add these to 16. So the 16xy is rewritten as 12xy plus 4xy. So now you have to compare these two. 6x is common. So here x is remaining. Here 2y. 6 into 2. For here 4y is common. So which is remaining x plus 2y. So it is 2 into 4. So Here 2y is remaining. So x plus 2y is common taken outside, which is remaining 6x plus 4y. So the factors x plus 2y into 6x plus 4y. Then again for x plus 2y, for here 2 is common. So that 2 taken outside. So that is 3x plus 2y. For it is 3 into 2, it is 2 into 2. So 2 is common. So now you have to rewrite this 2 into x plus 2y into 3x plus 2y, because the all three of them in a product. So answer is 2 into x plus 2y into 3x plus 2y. Next, fifth problem, 12x square plus 36x square y plus 27y square x square. For now you consider these three terms x square is common. So that x square taken outside. So 12 for 36y plus 27y square. So the x square is there. First you have to write in a standard form 27y square 36y plus 12. Then you have to multiply 27 into 12. So that is 324. So then you have to find it is a square number 18 into 18. So product is satisfied, addition also satisfied. So this 36 is rewritten as 18y plus 18y plus 12. So now x square into, for you have to consider these two, 9y is common. 3 into 9, 2 into 9. So 9y is common, so 3y plus 2. For here 6 is common. 3 into 6, 2 into 6. So 3y plus 2. 3y plus 2 is common. Take outside, which is remaining 9y plus 6. So now x square 3y plus 2. For comparing these two, 3 is common. Take outside, that is 3 into 3, 2 into 3. So 3y plus 2. Now it is written as 3x square into 3y plus 2. 2 times is there. So 3y plus 2 whole square. Now sixth problem, a plus b whole square plus 9 into a plus b plus 18. Now we have to consider a plus b, let a plus b equal to x. So it is rewritten as x square plus 9x plus 18. It is in the quadratic form. Now the coefficient is 1. So just it is a product value, it is a adding value. So it is 6 3s are 18. These two satisfies addition also. So x plus 6 into x plus 3. So x what you assumed in the beginning, a plus b. So instead of x you have to write a plus b plus 6, a plus b plus 3. So this is the answer.